Hi, I'm Caio Torres, and it's my honor to introduce you to a new feature from Longhorn V1.9.0, Storage Network with V2 Data Engine. But first, what is the storage network and what is the V2 Data Engine? So, storage network. By default, Longhorn uses your Kubernetes cluster primary network for all storage traffic. While this works fine for most cases, what happens when your network is under heavy load? In a busy environment, the storage operations you rely on could be competing with other applications for network resources. This makes it difficult to guarantee the performance and stability you need. To solve this, Longhorn introduces a dedicated storage network. This feature leverages Multus CNI to connect storage pods to a separate, isolated network, ensuring your storage traffic has dedicated resources it needs, no matter how busy your applications get. When high-performance applications face I/O bottlenecks, the Longhorn V2 Data Engine offers a new solution. It's built on the Storage Performance Development Kit, SPDK, which significantly reduces I/O latency while boosting IOPS and throughput. The result is a high-performance storage solution that is capable of meeting diverse workload demands. However, it's important to note that the V2 Data Engine is still an experimental feature and should not be used in production environments. With those concepts in mind, let's see how that works. But before you get started, make sure your environment meets all the requirements for both the V2 Data Engine and the storage network. You can find all the necessary details in the official Longhorn documentation. So, on the Longhorn UI, as we can see, I've already created a V2 volume and it's already attached to my node. Here we have the volume with one healthy replica. Now, if we describe this replica, we can see that its storage IP is on the same subnet as most of the pods in our cluster. Now, to isolate the storage IP and create our dedicated storage network, we first need to define a network attachment definition. Notice that the subnet that is configured in this network attachment definition, this is a subnet we expect the new storage IP to be when we activate the storage network. This Kubernetes object defines the network we'll be using. Once you've created your own, you can apply it to your cluster. Remember, you want to check the Multus documentation to configure these specific settings that are right for your environment. Okay. Now that we created the network attachment definition, we must ensure all existing volumes are detached before enabling our storage network. Okay. Next, we need to go to Settings, General, and as I mentioned, V2 Data Engine is already enabled. So all we need to do here is to set our new network attachments definition as our storage network. Remember that once you click Save, the instance manager pods will restart. So it's crucial that all existing volumes are detached before you apply this change to avoid any issues. Okay. So, once our instance manager is ready, we can attach the volume again. Now we wait for our replica to be healthy. Okay. Now let's check on which subnet is our replica storage IP. Okay, as we can see, this IP matches the subnet configured in our network attachment definition. So our storage network was successfully created. So this is a storage network for V2 Data Engine. It was my pleasure to introduce this feature to you. Thank you for your attention.